To start with it, we have Dr. Purushothaman Balakrishnan to enlighten us on current trends in research and entrepreneurship. Dr. Purushothaman Balakrishnan is a founder, CEO, and scientist of R&D and Bio R&D Solution. He got his PhD from Periyar Maniamai Institute of Science and Technology. He also works as a product manager in the pharmaceutical industry, and he has expertise in drug designing, discovery, formulation, and delivery towards various human cancers. He also formulates and characterizes herbal-based drugs to treat the colon carcinoma. He has published several research and review articles, and he developed 7 food products, 5 pharma products, and 3 biotech products. We are awaiting to listen your inspiring words, sir. Here comes Dr. Purushothaman Balakrishnan. Over to you, sir.
Oh, good morning to one of our presence here. I'm very happy to give my presentations in the wonderful occasions. Thank you to Tanvi research team because they asked me to give your lecture because actually I'm not planned for that because I'm the organizer of this program, so I'm not planned for to give lecture in this, but my research team asked me to give on talk in this program. So thank you to my research team and all the scientific advisory board members of Tanvi R&D Solutions and who are directly and indirectly involved in this successful of this program. Thank you. Thank you once again. Now I'm going to start the program. Before I start the program, I appreciate and thank to the participants. More than 1,000 participants were registered, and till now I think 500 participants were attend the program. Thank you once again for all the participants and make the program successful for the remaining 4 days.
Hello, sir. Sorry for the disturbance, sir.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Sir, sound very low, sir. Please speak loudly.
Okay. It's louder now. Okay, already it is loud only, guys. You should just make some changes in your system. Here, everything is loud only. I think so.
Yes, correct. Everything is fine.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. So today I'm going to give present.
No, I mean now it is much better. When you are near the mic, it is much better.
Okay. Now it's okay, sir. Clear?
Works perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. As my PPT is visible to you all? Is visible, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. So today is my talk is current trends in research and entrepreneurship, because now the trend is research and entrepreneurship all over the world, especially in India. The only trend is research and entrepreneurship. Wherever we go, they talk about the research and entrepreneurship, because now it is a debatable one, because a lot of confusions in research model, lot of confusions in business model. So there is no any clarity. That is a major problem. Then only I'm going to discuss about the trends of research and entrepreneurship. So first of all, what is research? I asked the basic questions to a number of persons, but there is a lot of confusions in that. Research, the research in the word is nothing. Whatever you search, you only search in the universe only. So there is a number of persons in earlier days and the olden days, now and in future, they're going to search number of things, but everything will be in there. Everything should be in that universe only. You won't search anything beyond the universe. So searching by years and by years is only in the same place, that is the universe. So the name called research. So it is the how the word was born. That is research. So there is a lot of definitions in the YouTubes and whatever that, but this is the exact one. Okay. Then how the research? Research means innovation, discovery, whatever that. This is a major part of it. research. But how it's occur? You're going to search only in the same universe. How you get a innovation? How to get a discovery? That is a number of questions will arise after that. Okay, but how it's arrive, how it's come means everything you go to search in the same universe. But you consider the tree is a universe. Okay, the first person in the image, that is a carpenter, he saw the tree. He think how the wood is useful for making house, windows, and whatever it is. But the second image, that one person lying under the tree, that he was thinking that I think so, that he was running over their time on running, walking a long time, and saw the tree. There is a shadow below the tree, so he considered that this tree is useful to take rest. And the third image shows that one girl that see that maybe she's dress is looking like a researcher, but he saw the tree, that she thinking that the leaves of the tree, trunk of the tree, root of the tree, that should be what are the medicinal properties present in that. So the thing is same, the universe is same, but the brain differs. Brain is entirely different to person to person. So the innovation and discovery will arrive only by the person only, not from the universe. Okay, if the person thoughts vary, then the universe looks vary to the person. The visions will vary, everything is vary. So the vision of the person about the universe, about the things, about anything is vary from person to person. From that place, that is the birthplace of innovation and discovery. So universe is safe, but the innovation is come from you only. Discovery is come from you only, not from the universe. Okay, need of the persons are different day by day. Okay, so the innovation will come day by day. The vision will come day by day. So that's why the universe is safe, but the innovations and discoveries are vary day by day. That is that because the person's commitment is vary, person's need is vary, the universe need is vary day by day. So the visions are vary from the person to person, and innovations will occur day by day. The new products will occur day by day. Okay, so this is the reason then how you get the research from the same universe. So what is research? Searching in the same universe. Okay, first of all, fix about that. Don't searching in a research article. Okay, you just search in the universe. If you search in the research article, you just deliver the vision of the person who published the article. You don't get any new visions. A number of new researchers I see, they just think about that article, this article. They're searching about the articles only. They don't searching in the universe. Okay, now the field is changed. The research is searching the things in a same place, that is called research article. Now the thought is vary. Actually, exact is research means searching in the same universe, but now the research is searching in the same. It's changed like that. Searching in the same article. Only in the article is a source of research. Now it's changed. Then only in the patents are not found. Then only in the new innovations are not found. Then only there is no any discoveries nowadays. So you think, just to think about the earlier of 19th century and compare with the earlier of 21st century. You feel that you just make something new from the findings of the earlier 19th century only. You don't find anything new. Okay, but the people lifestyle is completely changed. People activities are completely changed. Even though the attitude also changed, but there is no any change in the innovations. There is no findings in the discoveries. That is a problem here. Okay, so you just search in the universe, not search in the computer and the articles. Okay, you go and simply stand in the nature. Nature deliver you number of things because your brain is new, your vision is new. So the things that show by the nature is also new. So that is innovation. There will be the discovery will be arrived. Okay, think guys, think like that. That is very important. So to getting a deeper knowledge in a specific thing. Okay, another part. So research gives you a deeper knowledge in a thing. Number of persons do research like grass pulling by a goat. Okay, that is nothing. The Tamil nunipul மேயறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That is not a research, guys. Okay, well, that is not a research. You're going to a deep. Already the basic things are available in lakhs and lakhs. But you're going to deep. That is the research. Take one thing and go day by day, day by day, day by day. You go a deeper knowledge and get that. First of all, find the gaps. There is number of research articles in the same thing and do some plans nowadays that this is a trend. Get some plan and do something the qualitative and the quantitative analysis and give that to some equipment analysis, because nowadays a number of equipments are available. So give the equipment analysis and there is a lot of things. I don't like to say these things. Okay, so that is not research. You find the gap in the research. Already number of persons did the research in the same article. If you take cancer, there is billions and billions of articles. Number of persons did lot of things in that, but till now there is no any proper medicine for that. That means what? You think about that. You will do the same thing. Okay, you will find the same thing from the same idea. Okay, because you just read the research article and that's the idea of the author will be entered into the brain without your knowledge. Then your idea will be converted into the same idea what the author's idea. So then your vision and the author visions are same. Then how the universe gives the new ideas to you? Okay, I don't say you don't read the research article. Research article is a supporting tool for your research, not your basic tool of your research. Okay, so you get a deeper knowledge. That is very important. That is research. Don't do some basic things and publish articles and get you the PhD degree. The PhD degree that it won't give anything to you in future. Okay, so that's the second point. Then third point is creativity and the systemic work to increase the stock of knowledge. Creativity is very, very important. Okay, creativity and systemic work is nothing but focused work. When you focus, then you automatically you enter into the systemic work. If you are not a focused, then you are not entered into the systemic work. Number of persons I think do research as a part-time. Okay, part-time is not a job from a hotel server job or something you do. It is in a part-time. Okay, it is a research, man. You have to find thing. You got a vision. You got, after completing your PhD, your brain will be grow. Some extra part of the brain will be occur in your brain. Okay, it will be grow, man. Now another person that is no, don't think about that. Your brain will grow. That is called a jnani. Okay, saint. Then only we give the philosophy degree. Okay, tattva jnanam சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழ்ல. You got a philosophy degree. Then only you get the philosophy degree. Okay, otherwise then how you get the philosophy degree without any difference in your brain with compared to the normal persons or common man? There should be a growth in your brain. That growth is not occur in the normal man. Then only you are a philosophist. You are a saint. You are a what I'm saying, an scientist. Without that thing, then you are not true. So for that, you knew creativity. Think about the creativity. What the natures? Okay, what the natures? Okay, so what the nature says exactly. You your brain. Your brain is also a nature. So get a pinpoint. Get a pinpoint. That pinpoint will be get only by your creativity. The world will approve you as a researcher or something different from others. That is only by creativity. So think creativity and work in a systemic manner, focusedly. Then the research will be on your hand. Okay. Then expands the boundary of knowledge. Okay. If you deeper in the knowledge, then actually it expands the knowledge. Okay. That here in the Lord's point is expand the boundary of the knowledge of universe. If you deeper in a specific thing, that you share the knowledge to the universe, that actually then the boundaries of the knowledge already occur in a particular point in the world will be expanded. So the expands of boundary of knowledge is only by research. Okay. Then research importance. So what is the importance of research? To develop a deep knowledge in a topic and to filling the gaps in knowledge. Number of persons do not find the gap. If you don't find the gap, you don't get any funds, guys. And the research agencies like DST, DBT, ICMR, like a lot of agencies is there. Okay, to specific for life science. Those agencies or need the persons that to fill the gap in the research. Okay, gap in the knowledge of a particular process or particular thing or particular things. That is only achieved by research. You do research, then only you have to fill the gap. So first of all, find the gap in that particular research. Whatever the research you do, first of all, you find the gap. Youngsters, where you're doing a PG, before enter into the research, you first of all fix the research area and find the gap in that research. Then only you have to be a success in your research. Then to become a great professor, a great researcher become a great professor. I give one lecture every month. I will give a research. I give a talk in Tanbay R&D solution. So on the talk I give one point: who is professor, who is lecturer, who is assistant professor, and who is associate professor. If you guys have a time, you just look on my talk in future days. Okay, if you become a professor, definitely you will become a very big researcher. When you become a researcher, a very good researcher, then you will become a professor. To develop our nation, everybody knows, whatever your nation, that is not a problem. You develop your nation, you should do research. And to develop a reputation. Reputation, you know that meaning of the word reputation. Reputation is only by quality. Okay, without quality, reputation will not occur. Okay, so to develop the reputation, you should develop your reputation. You should do research properly. Okay, that is very, very important. And develop products. Like India needs number of products. Okay, so product ideas and product protocol is not is the most need of India today. Okay, not only India, number of countries needed today. So you develop product, research is important. And what is the capabilities to do research? So everybody is today is passion. The passion and there's number of passions also here. That is research. I'm a researcher. I'm doing research. I'm research. What is research? Okay, there is some capabilities, man. All the persons doesn't do the research. Research have some capabilities. Okay, every person have do research, but they improve the capabilities. That is very important. I'm not say that you do, all the persons don't have abilities to do research. Every person should do research. That is my aim, and that is a vision of Tanbay R&D solution also. Okay, but you improve the capability of the. What are the capabilities? First of all, you have a strong interest. Every person have the interest. I think one program we conducted, there is thousands of people who can apply, but only few people can attend that. That means what? While opening my my workshop or conference, the interest, immediately see the image, they have the interest, but within a few minutes the interest get diluted. That means what? You don't have the strong, that is not also interest. I not say the strong interest, the word strong. You don't have interest. You just what I'm saying, that you just excited while seeing the image or seeing the video of any advertisement. That's all. But interest is not like that. Interest means if you interest in one thing, till you achieve in that, your interest will not be diluted. That is called interest. Okay. So first of all, you are interested in research. Then you are obedient. You are guide or supervisor or guru. Okay, I'm say that because I'm saying the next slide what is called a guru or a guide. Okay, that is different from some other things. So you should be obedient. If you should you didn't obedient your guide, then you don't learn anything. Then you don't what I'm saying, you don't achieve anything in research. Okay, so that's obedient is very important. Then subject knowledge. If you like to do research in one particular thing, you definitely have knowledge in that. Without knowledge in the particular subject or particular research area, you definitely don't do research and don't achieve anything in that. Okay. Then creativity. I already speak about creativity. Then patents. No patents for the youngsters, especially women's. Okay, well, they don't have the patents. Okay, patents is a part of it. Oh, it's not audible. Now it's audible, guys. Audible?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. So patents is very important. You have to invest years and years. Okay, years and years to achieve your you grow your extra brain. Without investing the years, you don't have the extra brain. You just think, guys, you are something different from others. Your vision is different from common people. Then you have to work for that. You have to invest the time for that. I enjoy the same things so what the common people enjoys, but I will know how to have the extra brain means how it's occur. Definitely it's not. Definitely it's not. So you are different from your activities differ from others. Then only your brain will differ from others. So patents, that's very important. Okay, I'm planning to start a TAN Bio in the year of 2007. Okay, while I'm doing my BTech second year. Okay, but I'm take a lot of efforts to start it after completed my BTech in the year of 2009. But it will be occur only in 2016. That is my 10 years efforts. Then only it will like that. I'm waiting for the right point. I'm waiting for the right point. Otherwise, it will become a project center. Then only now it is a R&D company and a research institute. I'm not waiting, and that is start something in 2009. It's not to become a research institute or as R&D company. So waiting for a right point is very important. Otherwise, your vision will be dispersed, and vision will be nothing. So patents is very important. Then focus, I'm already say focus is another part of research. Then reality, that's a very important. Without reality, nothing will happen. Without reality, nothing will happen. Every point you should be real with your research. If you give some fake results in some situations, some research you have to face number of difficult situations while you're doing research because your age. Okay, whatever in the age, some persons are doing research in 55 also, they also face a lot of difficulties. Age is not a matter. You enter into the research, you have to face a number of difficulties. Number of researchers or achievers or in the speak also. Okay, in the conference, number of persons I've seen. Okay, they come over a number of difficulties, including me. Okay, without face the difficulties, you don't get the extra brain. You have to face, you have to fight, you have to struggle, but you are in a proper and professional manner because you are not a common man. Your approach should be different from others. Then only you will get the extra brain. You fight like a common man, then your extra brain is not grow. Okay, you think different. Your approach to solve the problem should be different. And the innovation should be different. Okay, then you have the market value. Then if you do some fake in that, then you don't give it, nothing will be get from that research. Okay, then grasping power, only by reality the nature will say you something. You go to observe that, very clearly. You don't put some plating in the what I'm saying, laminar airflow, and going seeing some videos in YouTube. The nature says lot of things that time. You don't observe that, then how you get that? Okay, nothing will be get. Your entire research is waste. Now sit and watch actually what happened there. Well, what I'm not only saying the microbiology, a lot of things in my don't time. Okay, the next presenter is also enter, so I don't have time for that. Okay, so you have to only one thing in the life sciences. What are the things you handle? All the things have the lives like you, but not in like the other department. In civil engineering, the stone, sands don't have the lives. Okay, in mechanical engineering, no metal have the lives. But here, whatever the thing you handle have the lives, including the glasswares. You are not properly using the glasswares, that will be broken. So that's very important. So everything you have the lives. So you have to adapt with that life, because that microorganism doesn't need you, but you need that microorganism. You study the lifestyle of the microorganism. Okay, then actually you're going to think you have to for that. You have to for that. Okay, so what the microorganism says, they definitely says to you. They interact with you. Okay, only you realize that nature, then only that interactions will be observed by you. That is grasping power. Okay, that grasping power make you another level, the fix a level in the world. Then thinking ability, only by grasping power the thinking ability will improve. Without thinking, no ideas. No ideas means nothing. After ideas there is lot of things. Okay, I think you know guys, I don't know the freshers also, but don't time, sorry, I will give in some lectures for detail about that. Okay, no thinking, no ideas. No ideas, nothing. They're ready to face obstacles. I'm already says, without facing obstacles, you just behind a supervisor, or just behind the university, or just behind something which is a fame in the world. You won't become a fame like that. Your supervisor and the university is like that. You just act as a labor only. Confront and face obstacles. Then only you become fame like your universities, like your supervisor. Otherwise, you just nothing. Try and boldly you have to face obstacles. Don't just afraid of that obstacles and begin to over your supervisor or a department or whatever it is. Okay, the number of persons you use that what I'm saying, that social power also. You have to. That is not like that, guys. The research is not like that. Okay, don't use any powers to learn research. Use your brain. That is ultimate power. That is ultimate power. Use your brain. You can hold anything, like Abdul Kalam, like Einstein, like Tesla. Okay, you can roll the world using your brain. But using other things, you can maybe make up at a particular time in that area. That's all. But after that, you have to need another thing to support you. But if your brain, you take your support, brain as your support, then nothing isn't need for you. Okay, in Tamil, I'm say that Bukti da Sakti. Buddhi da Sakti. Brain is your power. Okay. Then அடுத்தது task bearer. This is a one by one, interest, obedient. If you have interest, then you have to obedient, then you have to subject knowledge. Then if you are, and the previous one will occur in you, then the next one will be automatically occur. Likewise, I listed, I give the flow. all the 10 things, I'm saying, you have all the 10 things, then you become a task bearer. I'm a company, okay, I give the job only to the task bearer. Okay, because only task bearer can success, only task bearer can uplift my company. Okay, if there is you are not a task bearer, then how can take you? Okay, there is nothing. If I'm taking my job, I just give you a salary basically. There is no use of to my company, and there is no use to the universe. It is also no use to you. That is a comedy behind that. Okay, so you have all the 10 things, then you become a task bearer. You become a task bearer, then you approach to company, definitely have a job. Not only in a company, wherever in the world, whatever the things, you definitely have.